Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to talk to you about a brand new gun from 3M. Hi everyone, my name's Josh and I'm from Spray Direct, and today we're going to be taking a look at the brand new 3M Performance Spray Gun. So here it is, this is the brand new gun from 3M, which has been in the works for about 10 years and uses a concept which is unlike any other gun from any other manufacturer. This is mainly due to the quick release Atomizing Head, which allows for faster cycle times and allows you to clean out the gun in literally seconds. So how does it work? When you buy the new performance gun, you'll get something that looks like this, which looks pretty similar to most air spray guns on the market, just with the front end cut off. The body itself is very different and up to 50% lighter than other guns available on the market. This is because it's made out of an impact-resistant stainless steel reinforced composite material, which makes the gun really comfortable to use for long periods of time. What you'll notice is we have the body of the gun and the needle that's sticking out of it. This needle is a universal size that works with each of the atomizing heads and seals, regardless of whether you've got the 1.1mm pressure head all the way up to the 2mm gravity head. This is a big advantage over other guns because to change your setup size, you'd normally have to swap out both the needle and the nozzle together, which means first of all you need to buy more parts, but you also need to keep everything really organised to make sure you keep, for example, your 1.2mm nozzle with your 1.2mm needle. And if you've got multiple different guns, this can get both very complicated and also very expensive. This gun allows you to use one universal needle because the atomizing heads are made from moulded plastic, meaning it's much easier for the metal needle to seal on the nozzle, shutting off the flow of material. So now onto the atomizing heads themselves, and this is where I think the gun gets really interesting. So we've got this small plastic part here, and I think the design of them is absolutely amazing. So in this small bit here, we have the nozzle itself, the air cap, the needle seal, and the PPS adapter all in one small part. These atomizing heads are disposable items, and at the time of making this video, the heads range from about £8 to £10, which makes them amazing value for money. Now, I've been supplying this sort of equipment for a while now, and when a customer needs a new air cap or a new nozzle, half the time it isn't because the part's worn out, it's usually because the gun has either been dropped and damaged or the part has been lost whilst cleaning. Think about it this way, by making the front end of the gun disposable, we're taking away the financial value out of all the parts that are replaced most often on these sort of guns. If you're looking to replace the air cap, the nozzle, the PPS adapter and the needle seal on most top-end air spray guns, you're going to be spending the best part of £200. A question I'm sure a lot of you are asking is, how long do the heads last? Now, this is a tricky question to answer because it depends on a lot of factors, including the types of material you're using and your personal cleaning procedures. But to give you a rough idea of how long they last, one of our contacts has sprayed around 30 cars with a single head, so that works out to about 30 to 40p that you need to cost into each car you spray. Now, obviously, you aren't all car sprayers and you aren't going to be using the gun for that, but it should give you a rough idea of what you need to cost into your jobs to allow for the consumable parts. The benefits of having a disposable head aren't just financial, it also makes the gun incredibly fast to clean out because no material actually passes through the gun itself. The only thing you need to do is quick wipe down on the needle and flush out the head separately, which also means quicker colour changes and no more leaving the gun soaking in solvent overnight, damaging other components. So how do you fit a new head to the spray gun itself? So really easy, what you do is you get the gun and you have the retaining ring so it's pointing in a cross position like it is there. You get your head and you push it on into position, and then you turn the head until it locks there, and it's as simple as that. So what other heads are available? And this leads me on to another cool unique feature of the performance gun, which is you can use this same gun body with either a pressure fed head or a gravity fed head. So let's start with gravity fed heads like this one we've got here. These are available in 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.6, 1.8 and 2mm, and these come with the PPS 2.0 adapter built in directly, so it's definitely worth noting that to use this gun in gravity form you have to be using the new PPS 2.0 system, which we'll be doing a video on shortly, so make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on that one. You can buy each size of these heads in packs of 5. Next up we've got the pressure feed heads like this one I've got here. And to use that you need to use the 3M whip hose, which incorporates a 3/8 inch BSP male connection to allow you to connect it onto a standard hose being supplied with either a pressure pot or a pump. Now, the pressure-fed heads are available in 1.1, 1.4 and 1.8mm, and they come in packs of 10. When buying this gun, you've got three main options. You can buy the gun body on its own, which will come like this, and then you can buy packs of your own heads and a PPS system if you know exactly what you want to use. You can also buy a standard kit, which is the same gun, and it comes with a 650mm PPS system with 5 lids and liners, and a selection of 15 atomizing gravity heads, along with other useful accessories. The third kit is what's known as the industrial kit, which is the one I've got here, which comes with the same gun again and the same PPS 2.0 kit, but it also comes with one of each of the gravity heads along with 2 of each of the pressure fed heads, and you also get the whip hose that you need to use them. When picking the right kit for you, just think, are you more likely to be using the gravity setup or a pressure feed setup? If you're more likely to use gravity, I'd suggest going for the standard kit, and if you're more likely to use pressure fed, I'd go for this one, the industrial kit. If you've already got some PPS 2.0 parts and some heads, you may be better off just getting the gun on its own. What's great about the performance gun is its versatility, so later down the line, let's say your work changes and you want to go from gravity fed to pressure fed or vice versa, you don't need to buy a complete new gun, you can just change over a couple of simple parts. I'll put a link in the description below to the 3M performance range on our website, so if you wanted to find out a bit more, you can check it out there. And if you've liked the video and found it helpful, then please hit the thumbs up icon. And if you wanted to find out a bit more and get access to exclusive offers, then please subscribe to the channel. Also, if you could hit the notification bell so you get a little notification when we upload a new video, that way you aren't going to miss out on any new offers or content. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.